Yo lads, what's going on here? Welcome back to another video. Lads, what's going on? It's QARABAG here again. Okay, before you guys came to watch the Apoel and Sutjeska vlog, if you guys don't know me, I do football vlogs, and today I'm in Armenia. Look, guys, I'm not even in my country. I'm not in Rasibi. I'm at my home in Armenia, and I wanted to do the vlog very bad, so I'm gonna do it from through a TV. I apologize, I'm not at Gasibi. Apoel is playing against Sutjeska today for the Champions League qualification, and hopefully Apoel's gonna go through. Apoel's winning 1-0 with aggregate. Guys, I'm not gonna edit the music, put anything, because I don't know how to edit from a I can't edit from a mobile phone, okay? So I apologize. So let's go through my TV. We're gonna put it with normal sound. And yeah, it's Apoel Sutjeska 1-0 Champions League highlight. And hope you lads enjoyed. Peace out and follow my Instagram, Gorin Posholen. Yeah, let's go. Vamos. Gol! Uy. What? Yo lads, it's half time, 2-0 Apoel is winning. Yeah, it's all good. You can see Apoel Sutjeska. I apologize for the quality, the TV is very bad in here. I'm sorry, I wish I could have been there. Yeah, 2-0 Apoel. Andrea Pavlovic scored the 2 goals and Musa Tamari 2 assists. Amazing goals, as you can see here. Look, once again, this was a crazy rebound goal. It was the goalkeeper's mistake, I guess, or the defensive. And the second one, it was this one. Musa Tamar is very good. It's this one, the second one. The amazing ball through there. He gets it. As Tamar is going with his lefty, I never knew. Look, he passed. He should then look on top of him. Amazing, yeah. We'll catch you later, lads. Yo, lads, I'm back. And yeah, let's continue this vlog. Whoa. goal. Three zero.